Yo, what it do? It's Al Woo with the shoe, and you know the family is growing, gang. So tell a friend to tell a friend. You already know what to do, man. I want to go over all the celebrities at the VMAs. They shoe game, man. Who do y'all think won the best shoes at the VMAs? Let's go. We're gonna start off with Logic. He has on them ugly Christmas sweater dunks. I don't really like that shoe, to be honest with you, so I ain't voting for that, man. Let's go. Then we got Cheech and Chong. My dog got on them black Pradas, crispy. That's something I could rock. I actually own a pair of green and white Pradas from 2011, gang. 2011, I still got the Pradas. Then your boy Chong got on those Dzombic. I don't even know how you say it, but they're a Dzombic project. 420 to 710s. I don't know, but they are Cheech and Chong inspired, I guess. Then we got Eminem with those retro cement 4s. My dog Eminem was out there doing his Slim Shady characterization out there, man, at the award show. Like, what up, though? Yes. Then we got Kevin Hart with those retro 7 GMPs. I guess my man's was color coordinated with his shoes and the clothes, man. Then we got, it looks like to me, Jermaine Dupri or some black dog that was in the music industry with some braids and dreads, because he got on them Air Jordan 19 West Coast. I don't think I like the Air Jordan 19 now that I look back. I remember when those dropped. I did not like that snakeskin shoe covering over the front. Let's go. Then we got my boy Ye out here, Mr. Yeezy himself with the Yeezy 2 Platinum, pure platinums. Crispy, man. I know them shoes worth about 50 grand. Nah, let's go to Cannabis. Yes, Cannabis out here with the Nike Total Air Foamposite Air Maxes. Now that's a long title. Tell me he wasn't fooling with the face paint. Let's go. Fred Durst out here with the Osiris D3, underrated and slept on sneaker, especially in the skate world. Let's go. Wale, another sneakerhead. He is out there. I'm going to do a video on him, as a matter of fact, when I get his collection. He has on the Bread 4s, and not these, not the reimagined. He got the OG boys. That's right. Let's go. We got Mr. Jay-Z. Mr. Jay-Z wearing the fire red retro 5s. So, see, Jay-Z even used to get in his Air Jordan bag. Come on, man. We got Pharrell and Nigo with the Bape Roadsters FS034s. Now, those type of Bapesters I didn't have. I had the original Bapesters that they got sued for that looked like Air Force Ones back in like 2006, and I wore like a Ralph Lauren outfit that was crispy yellow, and the shoes was green and yellow. See, your boy Al Woo always had swag. But Pharrell and Nico always gonna be goated in the fashion industry. Let's go. Kendrick Lamar, Mr. Boogeyman himself. Mr. They Not Like Us. They are not like us. But he had on the Nike Cortezes. Yes, triple whites. My man was out there on the stage performing, going crazy. Then we got Travis Scott wearing his Travis Scott Friend and Family purple suede Air Jordan 4s. And I know them worth at least 15 bands. Let's go. Homie with the baby bears on the dunks. I don't know what dog got on, but he got on a baby suit with the big suit. Who knows? I don't know. Then we got Ed Sheeran with the Bel Air 5s. That's right. He got on them Fresh Prince of Bel Air boys. Let's go. Then I think we got Offset with them LV Gold Air Force Ones, and DJ Khaled with the Off-White Air Force One Green boys. And last but not least, I think we got Kanye West out here with the LV Don Reds. And then my man's Frank Ocean killing it with the Supreme Dunks. So tell me, who y'all think had the best shoe at the VMAs? I know if Al Woo would have been out there, I would have had on the Friends and Family Signal. I probably would have worn my Tiffany & Co. Air Force Ones, but I'm saving that for my wedding. So it's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. Hit that like button and subscribe button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Meet us at 10. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe. Share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.